racing to the lunchroom in this example, you and 3 of your friends, and then 4 people that you don't know. And the question's asking how many different orders are there for the 8 of you total to appear in the lunchroom. So we are going to say that we have 8 people, and we're going to pick, how many different orders are there for all the 8? Okay, so 8. We're actually going to pick all 8 of them to see how many ways can we order this. Now this is a good thing to talk about. Using our formula, this gives us 8 factorial over 8 minus 8 factorial. So 8 factorial over, what's 8 minus 8? That is a 0 factorial. And now, what does 0 factorial actually mean? So 0 factorial, if you type it in on your calculator, we get back just a 1. So it's good to know 0 factorial equals 1. So we see the 0 in the denominator, but because it's a 0 factorial, it actually has a value of 1, so it's okay. So it leaves us with just that 8 factorial. Had we approached this saying, well, how many different ways can we get to the lunchroom? Here's, let's say it was kind of like a race. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth, I'm going to run out of room, 6, 7, and 8. How many possible places, in the first place, 8 people could get that. We're left with 7 for the next, 6, and on down all the way down to 1. And 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that actually is 8 factorial. So again, you can approach it as a permutation using that formula, or you can approach it just kind of like with those spaces and thinking about what's happening. Either way, you are understanding how to do the problem. Oh, maybe I should type in 8 factorial. So here I am using the factorial button because I don't need to divide by anything. There we go. We get 40,320 different ways for all 8 people total to get there. Now you may say, why do they tell us that it's 3 of our friends and myself, or you, or whoever we're talking about, and 4 people who are not your friends? Sometimes you may be given extra information that really doesn't come into the problem. We were trying to figure out how many ways we can order all 8 people, and so we had 8 people, and we picked all 8 of them for our order in arriving at the lunchroom. So the fact that they gave us that extra information didn't matter. We just need to be able to pick through it and grab the information we need.